kids, and welcome to today's session. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Children, the chapter for today's session is heavy and light. Now, in the previous session, we talked about the pre-number concepts. Pre-number concepts help you to develop an understanding of comparisons how we can compare different objects in different terms. Like on the basis of height, we can compare things. On the basis of weight, we can compare things. So in today's session, we'll talk about heavy and light, where we are comparing two objects in terms of their weight. If an object has more weight, then it would be difficult to carry. How about if there is a cow and there is a rabbit, to whom you can pick up easily? You can pick up rabbit easily because it has light weight as compared to the cow. Will you able to lift the cow easily? No, you will able to lift the rabbit very easily. So the objects which are light in weight, we can easily pick them up. Now suppose you have your school bag. It has so much books, lunch box, water bottle, everything. It becomes heavy. So sometimes it becomes very difficult. You ask your parents that please lift it for me. It is too heavy, right? It happens sometimes. On the other hand, if you make up your bag according to your timetable, it has your books according to your timetable, it is light, comparatively light. So you can easily pick it up around your shoulders. So this is the difference. The object which is heavy, it takes us strength to lift it. Now, on the other hand, if the object is light, we can easily pick it up. So this is the difference between heavy and light. When we look at two objects, we can say that it is heavy or it is light. Suppose in your one hand, you have one onion. And in another hand, you have 5 kgs of onions, which is easy to carry. One onion, obviously, because it has less weight, and on the other hand, it has 5 kgs of weight. So it is difficult to carry, to pick. Now, if suppose you have your bicycle and you have a car, proper car, not your toy car, the car which your father drives. So there is a car and there is a bicycle, which is easy to carry, lift. Obviously, you can easily lift your bicycle as compared to the car because car is too heavy. So this is that difference. Let's begin with the exercise. Now in the exercise, 2 examples are given. On the left we have bus and on the right we have bicycle. Can you tell me which is heavy and which is light? The bus is heavy and the bicycle is light. Now in the next example we have a boat and we have a ship. Both are means of water transport. Both floats on water and carry people and their stuff from one place to another. But can you tell me which is heavy and which is light? Boat is light. On the other hand, ship is big, huge. It is heavy. Now the question is given. You have to take the heavy object and cross the light object. Now in the first set, 2 animals are given. So which is heavy and which is light? The cat is heavy and the mouse is light. So you will cross it. In the next example, in the next set, you are given with key and lock. Which is heavy and which is light? You have to take the heavy object. So you will take the lock. And you will cross the light object, which is key. So you will cross it. So children, this is the concept of heavy and light. I hope you understood this well. With this is the end. I'll see you in the next session.